Everyone be in video mode to start the session. Okay, people is joining. I think everyone will
You
join
can
within
wait
few
1 or 2 minutes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Chant with me or just listen. Sangachadvam samvadatvam samvo manasi janatam deva bhagam yatha purve sanjanana upasate. ॐ सहना भवतु सहना भुनाक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति Shanti. Now open your eyes, don't open your eyes, rub your palms. When they become little warm, place on your eyes and just relax. Now everyone stand on your mat. First we will go for Sukshma Vyayama today as per our syllabus. Stand straight. First of all, we will do Griva Shakti Vikasaka, neck movement. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 1. Inhale, head back, exhale down, touch to your sternal notch. Inhale up, exhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Center. Now Griva Shakti Vikasaka 2. We will turn our neck left and right. First right side. Inhale. Exhale. Right side. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come to the center. Now Griva Shakti Vikasaka 3. Touch your chin to the sternal notch and we will rotate our neck left to the right first and then right to the left alternatively. Okay? First touch your chin to the sternal notch. Start with your left side. 1, right to to the left. 2, left to right. 3, inhale when going up and exhale when going down. Do alternatively, left to right and right to left. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Center, come in center. Now we will do Griva Shakti Vikasaka 4. Just tighten your neck, inhale and exhale from your nose, and when you inhale, expand your abdomen, and when you exhale, just in your abdomen. Make sure tighten your neck during the practice. We will do it 25 times. Continue yourself. Inhale, expand your abdomen. Exhale, in. After completing, stop. We will go for Bhujavali Shakti Vikasaka. Shoulder movements. For this, we will raise our hand, right hand first. Feet together, legs and feet together. We will raise our hand. Inhale and आर्म को ऊपर ले जाएंगे और ऊपर ले जाते हुए ना तो ईयर से टच होना चाहिए और ना थाइस से टच होना चाहिए जब नीचे लाएंगे. ओके. Inhale and exhale. Do not touch your arm with your ear while going up, and do not touch your arm with your thighs when coming down. Okay? Okay, start. Palms outward. ऐसे नहीं रहेगा, ऐसे साइड में. Okay? Start. Start together with right hand first. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now with other hand, left hand, same process. 1, 2, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Now we will do the same process with both hands, with both arms. Okay? Do it together. 1, 2, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, and down. Now we will do Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasaka. For this, just make a fist with right hand, thumb inside, make a fist, and we will rotate first from backward to forward. Inhale करते हुए सर्किल बनाएंगे और ब्रीथ को होल्ड करेंगे और 5 टाइम्स करने के बाद हम ऐसे एक्सहेल करते हुए फोर्सफुली इसको छोड़ देंगे अपने शोल्डर के सामने. ऐसे नीचे नहीं छोड़ना है, ऐसे. फर्स्ट सी जस्ट मेक अ फिस्ट एंड हमने ऐसे 2 राउंड्स किया और ऐसे छोड़ दिया. ऐसे हम 5 राउंड्स के साथ करेंगे. ओके, जस्ट स्टार्ट टुगेदर. स्टार्ट विद राइट हैंड, मेक अ फिस्ट, start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again. Okay, rotate as much as you can, not 5 times, as much as you can. बस ध्यान ये रखना है कि हमें ब्रीथ को होल्ड करके रखना है. जितनी देर भी हम कर पाए उतने ही राउंड्स हम करेंगे. ऐसे स्टार्ट अगेन. 1, 2, now again inhale, start, hold your breath, exhale, forcefully exhale. Again, inhale, and exhale. Again, one more time. Inhale, hold your breath. And exhale. Do the same process with left hand. Make a fist, thumb inside. Inhale. And sorry, we should हमें रिवर्स भी करना है राइट हैंड से, तो पहले रिवर्स कर लेते हैं. मेक अ फिस्ट अगेन विद राइट हैंड एंड वी विल गो बैकवर्ड टू फॉरवर्ड. रिवर्स साइड करेंगे. जो भी पहले किया हो उससे अगेंस्ट, अपोजिट साइड. इनहेल अगेन, रिवर्स, and forcefully exhale. Inhale, hold your breath, start rotating. Forcefully exhale. Again, hold your breath. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Now do the same with left hand. First forward to backward and then backward to forward. Go in both direction. Okay. Make a fist with left hand. Inhale. Hold your breath and start rotating. Exhale. Again. Forcefully exhale. Again. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Now do it other side, in other direction. Inhale. Hold the breath and start rotating. Exhale. Continue. Continue. Yes. Exhale. Now do the same process with both hands together. Make a fist with both hands and start rotating together. Inhale, hold your breath and start. Exhale forcefully. Again. Now in other direction. Hold the breath as long as you can. In other direction. Again. One more time. Inhale, hold your breath. Now stop. Now we will do Kati Shakti Vikasaka 1. Feet together. Keep your feet together. Toes and heels together, legs together. Now make a fist with your right hand. Place it at your back and hold the wrist of your right hand with your left hand. ऐसे पीछे से इसको ऐसे पकड़ लीजिए. Like this. राइट हैंड से फिस्ट बनाया, थंब इनसाइड, और इसको पीछे से ऐसे पकड़ेंगे बैक साइड से. Inhale, arch back and exhale forward. Okay, this is Kati Shakti Vikasaka 1. Inhale, exhale, Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, arch back, exhale, come down, inhale and exhale. Now make a fist with your left hand and hold it with right hand. Same process. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, come down. If you can touch your forehead to the knee, you can. 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Now, Kati Shakti Vikasaka 2. Spread your legs 3 feet apart. Spread your legs. Hold your waist, thumb, front side and 4 fingers, back side. Hold your waist. We will do the same. Inhale, arch back and exhale, bend forward. Start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Come back. Feet together again. Now we will do Kati Shakti Vikasaka 3. Robotic movement. Robotic movement of trunk. Just place your hand ऐसे. Do not touch with your thighs. Or same process. Inhale, arch back and exhale, bend forward. Start. Inhale, exhale. Exhale करते हुए हाथ को पीछे ले जाएंगे. Thighs से touch नहीं करेंगे. This is called robotic movement. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come back. Now we will do Kati Shakti Vikasaka 4. Stretch your hands sideways. Full stretch करेंगे arms को. Sideways. Palms towards ground. Stick की तरह बिल्कुल टाइट कर देना है hands को. ऊपर नीचे up and down कोई movement नहीं होगा. बिल्कुल टाइट. Stretch. Inhale and exhale करते हुए trunk को sidewise bend करेंगे. First left and then right. ध्यान ये रखना है कि हाथ का मूवमेंट ऊपर नीचे नहीं होगा. ओके. Inhale. Start together. Exhale, bend towards right side. Try to touch to your calf, but don't move up and down your arms. Inhale. Exhale, bend towards left side. Right side. right, left, and then center. अभी हाथ को नीचे नहीं करना है. Spread your legs 2 feet apart. Then same process. Bend towards left and right, sideways. First right side. Inhale and exhale. Look up. Inhale, left side. Right, left, right, left. Come back. Hands down. Feet together again. Now we will go for Jangha Shakti Vikasaka, knee movements. Jangha Shakti Vikasaka. Raise your hands at the level of your shoulders. Inhale करते हुए ऐसे squats करेंगे and exhale करते हुए ऊपर आएंगे. ठीक है? Feet together, toes and heels मिली हुई. Hands at the shoulder level. Start together. Inhale. Sit down. Sorry. Hold your breath. Hold your breath here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Do it 5 times. Hold your breath as long as you can. Inhale. Exhale. Hold your breath. Your thighs and your arms should be parallel to the ground. Exhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale and hold your breath. Exhale. Now, Jangha Shakti Vikasaka B. Spread your legs, spread your hands sideways. Come to the toe. Heels मिली हुई. Heels को ground से ऊपर उठाना है और knees को थोड़ा spread करके inhale करते हुए ऐसे ही बैठना है जैसे पहले किया था. बस knees को spread करना है और heels ऊपर उठी होंगी. Okay, we will start together. Inhale down and exhale up. Inhale. Hold your breath as long as you can. Exhale. Again. Exhale. पूरा वेट आपका टोस पे होना चाहिए. One last time. Come back. Now we will do Janu Shakti Vikasaka. इसमें क्या करना है? ऐसे फुटबॉल की तरह किक करना है पैर को. Like this. Okay, start together. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. With left leg. पीछे ले जाते हुए अगर आप अपने हील्स को बटक से टच कर सकते हैं तो दिस विल बी गुड. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, come back. Okay. Now we will do ankle movements. First we will do Padamula Shakti Vikasaka. इसमें क्या करना है? Feet together, toes and heels मिली हुई. सबसे पहले अपनी toes पर आ जाइए, heels को ऊपर उठा लीजिए. heels मिली हुई रहनी चाहिए उठाने के बाद भी, और ऐसे up and down होना है स्प्रिंग की तरीके से. Hands down. 25 times करेंगे हम ये. Okay. Okay, start together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Come back. Now we will do Gulf Pada Prishtha Padatala Shakti Vikasaka. Legs forward, leg forward, right leg forward. ग्राउंड से 9 इंच की डिस्टेंस पे ऊपर होना चाहिए लेग आपका, ऐसे. एंड वी विल स्टार्ट एंकल मूवमेंट. रोटेट योर एंकल फर्स्ट clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Okay, hands down. Hands should not be on your waist. Okay, start together with right leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back with left leg. Start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back. So we have done with our Sukshma Vyayama. Now we will go for 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. After that we will go for some asanas. Come in front of your mat. Join your hands. Namaskar. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Right leg forward. Vamashka Sanchalan. Inhale, knees down. Exhale, chest down. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, head up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward, Dakshina Susanchalan. Left leg forward, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. And Namaskar. Again, inhale, Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Right leg back, Vamashka Sanchalan. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, knees down. Exhale, chest down, Sakshan Namaskar. Inhale, head up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward, Dakshina Ashisanchalan. Left leg forward, Padhastasana. Hasuttanasana. Namaskar. One more round. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Right leg forward, Vamashka Sanchalan. Right leg back, sorry. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, knees down. Exhale, chest down, Sakshan Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward, Dakshina Ashwasanchalan. Left leg forward, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. And Namaskar. Okay. Now, lie down on your mat. Lie down on your mat. So, we will practice Halasana today. दिख रहा है ना सबको? Okay. First, we will do Ardha Halasana. Raise your legs up at 90 degree. Stay here with normal breathing. Hands sideways, palms towards ground. Stay here. Legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release your legs slowly. Slowly down. Now we will go for Halasana. Raise your legs. Raise your both legs together. और हाथों से बैक को सपोर्ट देना है और लेग्स को पीछे हेड से पीछे ले जाने का ट्राई करना है. Like this. First watch me. You can watch me. Stay here. जितना जा सके उतना जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Now we will do Setu Bandhasana. Bend your knees. Hold the ankle of your knees. Hold the ankles with your hands. Inhale and lift your body. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Release your legs. Take a deep breath. Now we will practice Chakrasana today. Again, bend your knees. The distance should be hip width apart between your knees. Hands को ऐसे पीछे रखेंगे. Fingers towards feet. And try to lift your body with the support of your head. Try to lift in Chakrasana. Try to straighten your legs. Try to straighten your hands. Stay here with normal breathing. जितना जा पा रहे उतना जाएंगे. जितना रुक पा रहे उतना रुकेंगे. स्ट्रेन नहीं देना है बिल्कुल भी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come back. Slowly come in Shavasana. Take a deep breath. Now turn. Lie down on your abdomen. Lie down on your abdomen. We will do Dhanurasana.
Bend your knees. Hold your ankles with your hands and lift your body up. Inhale and lift. Stay here for 5 counts with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come down. Release your legs one by one. Now come in sitting position. Now come in sitting position, everyone. We have done 2 backward bending, so we will do 1 forward bending too as a counter pose. We will do Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your hands and come forward. Exhale. Hold your toes and try to touch your forehead to the knees. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Release your hands. Now sit in any comfortable position. Sit in any meditative position. We will go for pranayam section. First relax yourself. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Now we will go for Kapalabhati. Hands in Chin Mudra. Place on your knees. We will do 60 strokes of Kapalabhati. Forcefully exhalation. Start together. After completing Kapalabhati, we will go for Anulom Vilom. Hands in Nasika Mudra. Inhale from both nostrils. Exhale from left. Inhale from left and exhale from right. Continue. After completing Anulom Vilom, we will go for Bhramari Pranayama. Adopt Shanmukhi Mudra for Bhramari. Close your ears by your thumb, fingers on your face, and create a sound of humming. Inhale. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Feel the silence. Feel the vibration of Bhramari Pranayama. Now slowly open your eyes. Next we will do 3 times Om chanting and then we will conclude our session. Go for 3 times Om chanting. Now we will go for closing prayer. Chant with me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. When they become little warm, gently place on your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
किसी को कुछ पूछना तो नहीं है ना? कुछ पूछना हो तो पूछ सकते हैं.
Thank you, Isha. It was great session.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Good night.
Bye, good night.